Hello everyone, I'm demonstrating my Tata Tyre inflator kit. So this one was provided to me in my Tata Tiago, and right now I'm using it to just top up air in my other car. So this one's really convenient. It's coming free with the car, and right now we can see it's an analog dial and it shows a pressure to be about 30. So I would like to keep this at 36. So what I'm going to do now is just switch it on. Really loud. So a bit more. I've got the desired pressure, so it's around 36 now, and that's what I like. It keeps my ride bump free. And all you do now is just unscrew it, and you're done. Thank you.